Hello everyone, this is Prashant Pawar. Today we are going to introduce you to AutoCAD, drafting and modeling software. So here is the classic interface of AutoCAD 2014. At the top of the screen is a menu bar, also known as pull down menu. On the right of the screen is AutoCAD screen menu. At the bottom is a command line menu, and on the left of the screen is the toolbar. At the center is a viewport with an icon showing the origin of XYZ axis. This icon is also known as WCS icon. The red line represents x-axis and the Y line represents y-axis. So in the beginning of any of the drawing, uh, the viewport is to be set to A4 size, that is 297 by 210 millimeters. So for that we need to draw a rectangle by selecting draw a rectangle. The lower left corner is 0, 0, that is the origin of XYZ axis, and the upper left corner is 297, 210. Enter. Now go to view, select zoom and then select extents. You will be able to see a rectangle of A4 size. So for example, I will be drawing a square of 100 millimeters. In AutoCAD, whenever we open a new file, the unit of AutoCAD is millimeters by default. There is no need to set the units separately. So for drawing a square, I'll be going to draw menu, pull down menu, then select a line, then select a point on screen to draw a straight line that is uh, either vertical or horizontal. I need to uh, turn on the auto mode on so that a line will be drawn either constrained to x-axis or y-axis. So I'll select one more point, then again go to draw, select a line, select a point on the viewport, drag the line and again select a point on screen. So here are the two lines, one is horizontal and the second one is vertical. That is constrained to x-axis and constrained to y-axis. To draw a parallel line at a distance of 100 millimeters, I'll be selecting modify, offset, then I'll specify a distance in command line menu, that is 100, enter, select the object and select the side of the offset. Again select a line and side to offset and enter. To create sharp corners, I need to trim the unwanted portion of line. By using trim, go to modify, select trim. To cut this portion of line, I'll be selecting this line as the cutting edge, enter and trim this line and this line, again enter. Again I'll repeat the same process by selecting modify, selecting trim, select the cutting edge and select the object to trim or the portion of the line to be trimmed. Select this line and this line. Again I'll repeat the same process by selecting trim command. Select this line as cutting edge, enter, trim and trim this line. Again to cut this portion of lines, this portion of line. Again I'll repeat the same process by selecting trim, selecting this line as cutting edges, enter and trim both the lines. So now here we have created a square of 100 millimeters. Go to view, select zoom and window to make the object closer. Then I'll be drawing diagonals from this corner to this corner and this corner to this corner. So for that I'll select draw a line. To practice object snap system, at the bottom they have given a button object snap. By this button uh, the object snap is on the auto mode, either on or off. So right now to practice object snap I'll be putting in off mode and make the use of object snap toolbar on the upper right corner of the viewport. So to draw a line from this corner I'll be selecting intersection of these two lines. Again second point of line is on intersection of these two lines, right, and enter. Again one more diagonal, that is draw a line, select intersection of these two lines, again select intersection to this line, enter. Now a line from this midpoint of this line to midpoint of this line. I will select a line command from pull down menu, draw a line, select midpoint of this line and again select midpoint of this line, right click. Again I'll repeat the same process by selecting line, midpoint, again select midpoint, go to draw, select line, intersection of these two lines, intersection of these two lines, intersection, again select intersection, again select intersection. This is to practice object snap system given in AutoCAD. That will make you understand how object snap system works. So again I'll repeat one more time, line. In this condition either I can select midpoint of this line, intersection of this line. So go to intersection of these two lines, again intersection of these two lines, intersection, again intersection and intersection. Uh, Now we will learn how to draw circles. So in pull down menu, go to draw, select circles. There are 6 different methods of drawing a circle. That is center radius, center diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tangent tangent radius, and tangent tangent tangent. So first of all, we will start with center radius. In this command, while drawing a circle, it will ask you for the center of the circle and the dimension in the radius. So I'll select center radius, then specify the center point of the circle. For that I need to select object snap intersection from object snap toolbar. Select intersection of the lines and specify the radius of the circle. So I'll assume the radius of the circle as 40. So a circle is created of radius 40 right now. Again I'll go to draw, select a circle, select center diameter. Again repeat the same process by selecting the center point through object snap system or from object snap toolbar, that is snap to intersection. The diameter is again 40. So this is how the center radius and the center diameter circle has been created. The next method of creating a circle is 2 point. For 2 point, I'll be drawing a line. Go to draw, select a line, a random line of unknown length. Then go to draw, select a circle, 2 point. Uh, in this method, uh, while drawing a circle, it will ask for uh, the endpoint of the diameter line, that is first endpoint of the diameter line and second point of the diameter line. So this is how the circle 2 point is been created. Go to draw again circle. The fourth method of drawing a circle is 3 point. 3 point is basically a circle passing through any 3 points. So I'll select 3 point, that is endpoint of this line, again endpoint of this line, again endpoint of this line. So it will create a circle passing through all these 3 points. There is one more method creating a circle, that is tangent tangent tangent. Tangent 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 and 3 point are similar. The only thing is tangent 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 is a constraint, that is a circle tangent to any three objects, that can be line, circle or an arc. So I'll select tangent 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 option to create a circle. So first tangent space is this line, second tangent space is this line, and the third tangent space is this line. This is how it will create a circle. Again I'll select draw a circle, tangent tangent tangent, that is tangent to this line, tangent to this line and tangent to this line. Again I'll repeat the same process to make you understand. This is how a circle is created by tangent 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 or 3 point. In 3 point option also you can select tangent spaces, uh, just like draw a circle, 3 point, tangent space, again select tangent space and again select tangent space. So this is how a circle 3 point is been created by using three tangents using object snap system. So again I'll repeat the same process. 3 point, select tangent. To specify all the 3 points, every time you have to select tangent space from object snap toolbar. So this is how a circle is been created by either using 3 point or 3 tangent. There is a last option called draw, that is TTR, that is tangent tangent radius, a circle tangent to any object that can be circle or a line or an arc. So tangent tangent radius, for that you need to specify the tangent space and the radius of the circle. So for that I'll be erasing all the objects. So to use a TTR, go to draw, select circle, tangent tangent radius. So for that I'll select first tangent space, that is the line, again second tangent space, again a line, and the radius of the circle, that is 15, I'll assume the radius of the circle. Again go to draw, select circle, TTR, that is tangent tangent radius, again tangent to this line and tangent to this line, radius is 15 by default. So in command line menu already I have specified the dimension, so I need not specify the dimension again. So I'll just enter. Again repeat circle and the dimension is 15. Enter. Go to draw, select circle, tangent tangent radius, select this line and this line. Enter. Over here I'll be cutting this portion of the circle and this portion of the line by using trim to create smooth corners. So go to modify, select trim. To cut this portion of lines, this circle will act as a cutting edge. Again, to cut this portion of lines, this circle will be the cutting edge. Again, to cut this portion of lines, this circle will be the cutting edge. Again, to cut this portion of lines, the circle will be the cutting edge. Enter. Enter and then object to trim, that is the line. Right click and enter. Now to cut this portion of circle, I'll select modify, select trim. To cut the circle, uh, the two cutting edges are to be selected. That is the line tangent to the circle. Again, this line tangent to the circle. Again, this line tangent to this circle, and a line tangent to this circle. Enter and select the circle to trim. This portion of circle to trim. Again, this portion of circle to trim, and this portion of circle to trim. Right click and enter. So this is how we can create an object using circle, lines and object snap system. Go to view, go to zoom and extends. So this is the first tutorial to practice AutoCAD by making use of the object snap system.